Welcome, dear children, to e-learning classes. Today we shall continue with our English Unit 1, Lesson number 2, Wonderful Waste. I hope, dear children, you have read the story. Now we'll go through the meaning. First one is sternly, that is harshly. The king, when he was talking to the cook, he talked sternly, means harshly. Second is the scrap, that is cutting off vegetable. Scrap means which is normally thrown out. Strip means long pieces. Here the cook he cut the vegetable into long pieces. Tempting means attracting. When the avial was made, it was tempting, means attracting in such a way that everyone was feeling just to eat it. Whipped means to beat. The curd was whipped to make the smooth paste. So whipped means to beat. Flash across the mind means suddenly think of. Suddenly some idea comes. So that is flash across the mind. Survey means to look closely. Just have a closer look. Like the king, he was just looking around what was happening in the kitchen. And last one, lo and behold. That means look, what a surprise. Means the waste was turned into avial, so it was a surprise. We now move on to one word for. A situation hard to escape from, that is in a fix, means stand still. Second one, heartily meal for many guests served on a special occasion, that is a traditional feast. Next one, to make something flow steadily, that is poured. And last one, amount that can be contained in a spoon, that is spoonful. The coconut oil was spoonful. We now move on to textual exercise 4. Ingredients are the things that are used to make a dish. Circle the ingredients of avial in the box below. Now here the box is given and some words are given. You have to make a circle on those items which is used for avial, like chili, coconut, garlic, curd, vegetable scraps and curry leaf. So you will make a circle around those words. Now next we move on to page number 13. First one, a recipe is a list of directions to prepare a dish. The following sentences are not in order of preparing avial. Number them in the correct order. Now you have to number them in correct order. Now first one is wash and clean the mix of vegetable bits. Then second, cut the vegetable scrap into long strips. Third one, grind some coconut, green chilies and garlic. Fourth one, whip some curd and mix it in. Fifth one, pour some coconut oil on top. Sixth one, decorate with curry leaves. And last, avial is ready. So you have to arrange these sentences according to the dish prepared. Now next, in the given box there are something that children do after they reach home from school. So some of the things are given. What you do, you have to write. Like I have written, first I put away school bag, then I change out of my uniform, school uniform. Next I wash up. After that I have lunch and finally I do the homework. In the same way you can also write whatever you feel like. We now move on to page number 15. Second part of it, make new words by adding, dropping a few letters from the root word. Some are done for you. Now here some words are given and 4 columns are written. In first that is ed, then ing, then er and est. So you have to make new words out of these words. So where there is written cross, there is no words there. So first one is pound, pounded, pounding. Try, tried, trying. Large, larger, largest. New, newer, newest. Next is tasty, tasted, tasting, tastier and tastiest. Next one, wise, wiser, wisest. And next one, stare, stared, staring. And the last word is clean. For that, cleaned, cleaning, cleaner, cleanest. Now, do any of these words use all the four ending? Yes. For tasty and clean, we have used all the four ending. I hope, dear children, you have understood up till here. Tomorrow we will do the bamboo curry. Thank you.